Hey there, I'm Keri Glassman, integrative registered dietitian, nutritionist for over 20 years. Oh my God, I can't believe it. 4 times best-selling author, and I'm also the founder of Nutritious Life and the Nutritious Life Studio, the home to my Become a Nutrition Coach certification. I have a question for you. Have you ever felt like you're this close to taking that next step in your career, but you aren't quite sure how to make it happen? Or maybe you're not sure what the next step is, or maybe you feel overwhelmed, or maybe you're just not sure how you're going to make this career change into one that earns you a living. Well, I've been in that exact same spot, and I want to help you go from where you are now to where you want to be. I want to show you how I've done it and how you can too. And that's why I'm hosting a very special workshop, 3 Steps to Take Your Passion for Nutrition and Wellness to a Paycheck, on September 18th at 7 p.m. I'll share my own journey and the exact steps to help you turn your passion into a thriving career. I'm also doing something that I've never done before. If you show up live to this workshop, you will be entered to win the entire Become a Nutrition Coach program for free. But you need to show up live. So click the link and join me. I cannot wait to see you there.